So we're gonna be heading to Japan very soon, and actually by the time this video is posted, we are probably already in Japan. By the way guys, before I get started, my name is Lloyd and I make tech videos, product reviews, vlogs, and all that stuff. Anyways, if you guys haven't checked out our first time in Japan vlog series, I'll link it up there as well as down in the description so you guys can check that out. But in this video, and I've never done a video like this before, but I figured to just kind of let you guys know what we'll be packing as far as our travel bag goes, as well as my tech essentials for our next Japan trip. In case your attention span is extremely short to non-existent though, I'll put a time code at the scrubber below so you guys can skip ahead if you'd like for certain topics and all that stuff. But I just want to preface this video first and emphasize that this will be a minimalist travel packing heading to Japan, but then it's gonna be a maximalist packing coming back from Japan, mainly because of all the shopping we'll be doing there. Anyways, I'll be packing my suitcase, a backpack, a tech storage bag, small sling bag, cash/coin wallet, as well as trash bag, because trash bags are fairly hard to find in Japan. All these products will be linked down in the description below, so in case you guys are interested in them, there will be an Amazon affiliate link for you guys to check it out and just kind of help support this channel. So first things first, let's start with my suitcase. So it's an away luggage. I've been using this for many years now. My partner gifted it to me and it's been everywhere, basically in the US as well as Asia. Anyways, I'm just packing my essentials here, mainly because we are gonna be checking this bag in. We're gonna fly Delta Airlines once again, but I'm only gonna pack these items that you see right here. And also a quick hack here is this plastic bag with a Ziploc. This has been around for many years now. The technology for it has evolved, so we have this portable, like a vacuum USB-C thing that I'm using to just suck up the air out of the bag so that I can compact and compress these clothing of mine in this luggage. Next up is backpack. So I got this on sale on Amazon during Prime Day back in like, what, July 2024? But anyways, super cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks or so, and it's surprisingly very durable and water resistant. But what I'm gonna be packing here is obviously my iPad with the keyboard case and stuff, mainly because I don't want to bring my laptop this time around. And obviously I'm gonna put that right here in the laptop compartment. By the way, this can fit up to 17 inches laptop, I believe. My work laptop fits in there. It's like a 17-inch laptop. And then as far as compartment goes, just showing you guys here real quick what you can expect as far as compartments. And then I'll be packing my bathroom/grooming kits in this backpack just so that I can freshen up once we land Japan. Not only that, but I'll also be packing my light jacket in here, mainly because sometimes the AC or whatever is cranked up all the way and sometimes I feel cold and stuff like that. All right, so now we are moving to the tech storage bag that I have right here. So I'll be bringing my iPhone 15 Pro Max, my iPhone 12 Pro Max, obviously my brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3, several SD cards, and my SSD just to back up my storage, and for extra storage, my portable MagSafe Anchor charger, a couple of USB-Cs right here, and this 120-watt charger brick that I got off of Amazon last year. I'll link it down in the description, but basically it can charge not only my laptop, but also multiple devices. It can handle up to 120 watts of power charging capabilities, so it basically saves me a lot of space instead of carrying multiple charging bricks and all that stuff. Anyways, I'll also be bringing my small sling bag right here. Now, last year I did not have this, mainly because I was carrying my backpack everywhere I went because I have my laptop in there, but also we were doing some shoppings and stuff like that. But this time around, we're staying a little longer in certain areas in Japan, and so I figure maybe some of those days I'll probably not be carrying a backpack, so it might be best to just kind of have this small sling bag that I got from Philippines, and it's from Pen Shop. So I unfortunately do not have a link for that, but I'll link something else on Amazon that is similar to that. Last but not least here, again, I got this from Philippines. It's from Pen Shop as well. It's a coin cash holder, and the whole reason why is because some of the places in Japan are cash/coins only. Even though I can use mobile payment for a lot of the stuff there, there are still some places, especially mom and pop shops, restaurants and stuff like that, that will only be cash only. And last but not least is this trash bag right here. Kind of a weird thing to pack, but at the same time, I'm not ashamed of it, because last year when we were in Japan, man, my backpack was just full of trash, from like wrappers to cans to bottles to banana peels and all that stuff. So I don't want the repeat of that, and so I'll just carry this one with me, and if I find a trash can somewhere out there, and I will just throw it in there as well, all at once. So that is my travel bag/travel essential. We will be bringing these two luggages right here that we bought from Japan from Don Quixote last year, and it's actually gonna stay empty, but we will be checking this in and we'll be reusing it to put our souvenirs/other stuff that we're gonna buy in Japan, which is probably gonna be a lot this time around again. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in this video. I've never done this before, but definitely be on the lookout for more Japan adventures that we're gonna be doing this time around, and it will be posted sometime in early 2025. Other than that though, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video. Peace.